You might think that small and medium batch factories can't meet the strict standards of IPC Class 3. But at PCBasic, we achieve it every day. Solder paste printing is just the first step, yet a slight misalignment or collapse can ruin the entire board. IPC Class 3 applies to high-reliability products like military, medical, aerospace, and automotive safety systems. For solder paste printing, it demands exceptional consistency and repeatability. Alignment deviation less than 25 mm. Thickness variation within 10. Clean edges with no collapse or bridging. At PCBasic, we focus on small and medium batch PCBA assembly without lowering a single standard. Here's our typical solder paste printing workflow. Frequent changeovers and fast pace are the biggest challenges in small batch work. We tackle it through parameter standardization, solder paste control, and mandatory stencil cleaning. SPI gives real-time alerts and operators check each board. Nothing slips through. Small batch production is not an excuse for lower standards. It's a test of a factory's discipline and capability. At PCBasic, we deliver IPC Class 3-level solder paste printing through standardized processes, professional equipment, and experienced teams. If you're looking for high-reliability PCBA services, get in touch with us today.